So this is the Leave Insert Ordinary Level Paper 2 from 2016. And we're looking at question number 4. Part A says the line contains the points A, which is 4, 5, and B, which is 2, 0. Find the equation of the line L. Give your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are elements of the z set. That's the set of integers. So that's whole numbers, positive or negative. Okay, so, well, the equation of a line, we've a few formulas for that in our tables book. But the one we're going to use, seeing as we're given 2 points, we're going to use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. Okay, so in order to use this formula we need to know x1, y1, which is any point in the line. So we have 2 points in the line, so that's already in place. And the other thing we need is m, which is the slope. Okay, now the slope has a formula itself, and the slope is y2 minus y1, again this is in the tables book, over x2 minus x1. So if we label our 2 points, we're going to get the slope using these 2 points in this formula. So we label the points x1, y1, and this point here, x2, y2. And we just put those numbers into this formula. So that will give us m as y2 minus y1. So on top we're going to have the y2 minus y1. So that's 0 minus 5 on top. 0 and the minus 5. 0 and 5. And then underneath we're going to have x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus 4. So that's the x1 and the x2 there on the bottom. Okay, so when we put that in our calculator, we get minus 5 over minus 2, or just 5 over 2. So that's our slope, 5 over 2. Okay, so we're going to plug that in here along with one of these points. So I'm just going to take the first point, point A, which is 4, 5. So plugging that in there, so in other words, plugging the 4 will go in here, and the 5 from this point will go in there, x1, and the slope is going to go in here. Okay, so what do we get? We get y minus 5 is equal to 5 over 2 bracket x minus 4. So if we multiply out the right side, we get 5 over 2x minus, so that's 5 over 2 by x, and then 5 over 2 times negative 4 is minus 10. Okay, so now we want to get rid of the fraction because we want our answer in this form where a, b, and c are integers, whole numbers, positive or negative. So I'm going to just times everything by 2 now to get rid of the fraction. So I get 2y minus 10 equals 5x minus 20. And then I'm going to bring the 2y over here to this side, it'll become negative 2y. And I'm going to bring the negative 10 over here, it'll become positive 10. So when I tidy up on the left, I'm going to be left with 0, and on the right I'm going to have 5x minus 2y minus 20 plus 10, well that's minus 10, and as we said that's going to be equal to 0. So now we have our answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, and that's the end of part A.